Loaded in a bad, bad way.
Dude, what did I tell you? Bitcoin $75,000, baby. That's what's gonna happen.
Incoming, and then it's going to 200.
And then it's going to, what was your number again?
$207,318 and 38 cents.
I'll take that, baby. That's what I'm talking about. What you drinking tonight?
I'm not.
You're not? I got myself some double oaked
No,
Woodford.
I'm letting my liver have a break.
Oh, good for you, man.
Yeah.
Well, double oak Woodford Reserve right here.
Oh, that sounds very nice. Sounds
It is.
delicious.
I'm actually pumped about it.
All
Love
right.
it.
So before we get involved with anything, just gonna have put out that disclaimer. Cody and I are not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. It's just entertainment, us sharing what we're doing, what we're looking at.
Yep, that's
Anything to
right.
add?
And if you could like and subscribe and comment and hit the bell notification, that would mean the world to all of us.
Oh man, you nailed it. It would.
It would... Oh, dude. So why? Why is the market crashing so freaking hard right now?
I
That's the
don't know.
question.
I don't know, but it is melting. It's going down like fast, hard.
Yeah, it's not good.
Who
It's not.
knows? I mean, I don't know what to say,
Well, I mean,
except that it will come back. It always does.
yeah, I mean, it's inevitable.
Yeah. So maybe scratch up some spare change and buy a little more.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I don't know, man. Let's you want to dive right into the dive what into the charts first, I
I just
guess.
want to just look at the chart real
All right, let's
quick.
do that. Let's hop into that.
All right.
I hope you
You
guys are
know,
having a
here,
wonderful day. I really do. I hope you're having a better
Bitcoin.
day.
So this is the weekly chart for the Bitcoin. Doesn't look too bad. It's kind of still riding in that channel, but it was doing so good. It was like coming back up. Everybody was getting excited. It was back over 100,000, got up to like 105, and now we're back down, pushing back down to that 95,000, 96,000 level, which is a good support level right now. Let's just hope that holds. If that doesn't hold, it's probably going to be going back down to 91, um, and then probably 88, and then probably Cody 75. Might stop briefly at like 80 before
Y-
75, but
Yeah, I really think
wow.
75. I mean,
I
can
don't
you,
I don't know, Cody. $75,000
my dude,
Bitcoin right now.
if I call 75,000, we're going back to all these other videos that we've talked about where I've said 75,000.
I know you've said that quite a bit.
Yeah.
So let's see what
I think
total
Satoshi
Let's see what the
Satoshi listens
altcoin
to me.
market looks like. Oh my God, that doesn't look good either. That's going to go down some more. That wants to come back down, touch its 200-day moving average. Holy smokes. This thing is, oh my, I don't like seeing red like that, but it's good. It happens. What can you do is just, take what the market gives you and do what you can. So that's a 13% candle wick down. That's nuts. So anyway, I don't know, Cody. Things are going down like another big one. This is just real quick, and I'll give it back to you. This is one of our top 10 Bitcoin fams, top 10 portfolio, and it's not looking good. I mean, WCFG is down to 18 cents. I'm almost thinking of buying some, but
Hey, you know
but
what? There's something
it
to be
could go
said for that.
down even lower. I mean, this could be a bottom, but it could go down to 15 cents, I think could be in
You
play.
know,
Definitely.
I think that we need to reevaluate our portfolio right now in front of everybody live. I
Oh
think that's
my
what we got to
gosh.
do.
Cody, really?
Yeah, I do. Because we told them that we were going to give them an answer.
So we might not add something right now tonight.
And that's fine. We don't have to. But I
All
do
right,
think that we
pull
should
it
have
up.
a serious conversation
Yep,
about
pull it
this,
up.
you know? So, all right, hold on. So, right now, the way that Brian and I look at this right now is that this is a buying opportunity. At least that's the way I see it. Now, obviously, you got to take a look at the charts, make sense of it. Is it actually really worth a buying or not? But I think it is a buying opportunity right now.
I do as
And
well.
I think that when you look at what's going on with what we're holding in our portfolio. So obviously Bitcoin. This is a buying opportunity for Bitcoin. I do think that there's still some down to go.
Buying opportunity for Ethereum,
Definitely Ethereum.
Maple.
Maple, definitely. You know, Sushi Swap, definitely. Big buying opportunity for Sushi Swap, I think. Airdrome Finance, definitely. Immutable X, definitely. Holy crap,
HBAR
even HBAR. I
definitely.
mean,
Oh my
dude, this is
goodness,
like,
HBAR's
but I'm talking new money. You know,
right.
I'm not talking swapping what you're holding with for another thing, unless you're up like pretty heavily. Like for instance, I'm still pretty up on my TIA right now,
Yeah.
so I could do a swap if I wanted to for all these percentage, you know, opportunities. But
Right. Yeah,
yes,
I was thinking of doing looking at my TIA as well and swapping
yep.
before we got on, but I'm not sure.
I think Immutable X is a wonderful buying opportunity right now.
Yes.
Dude, they're all good buying opportunities. It's insane. I mean,
And
CLV.
this
I'm actually surprised that CLV has
is holding
gone
on a
down
little
this far.
stronger
It's,
than other ones.
I think CLV is oversold right now.
I think the whole market's oversold.
Well, yes, I agree. But I do think that there has been a lot of corrections that were inevitable for a lot of these coins. Whereas CLV, I wasn't expecting to see it correct past 5.5 cents, honestly.
Right, but it has.
It has. But
I didn't expect
when did we have a
centrifuge
good
to go
correction
below
on
20 cents,
HBAR?
and it has.
Yeah. There's a lot of them I'm surprised about. But then again, it's like they've been
I
pumping,
mean,
you know?
I don't, you know what? I'm looking at this, Cody, and I don't know if I really want to do anything with it right at this moment.
You don't feel good
I
about it?
want to see how things rebound because right now, if we look at it, I mean, we got Hedera down 27%. Um, CRO's 22%. I mean, IMX is down. You keep moving it on me,
Well,
man.
I'm trying to go from like 24-hour worst to yeah, I've got it
All
now.
right, let me know when you got to stop,
Yeah, I
man.
got it. So 24-hour, this is 24-hour worst to best as far as capital loss.
Right? So, um, there's so many. I mean, they're all in there. I want to see how they rebound when we come out of this, and then maybe at that point stuff will be lagging. Maybe it might be at that point taking it out. But that
Yeah.
doesn't mean if we take it out of our top 10 portfolio, everyone, that we're selling our coins and getting rid of our bags.
Right, no, this
Uh,
is a reevaluation.
that doesn't mean I'm going to, get rid of my WCFG that I have.
Right.
I'm not. I'm not getting rid of any of it right now. Because I do still believe in the project and the coin. Nothing's changed with that, so I think it will rebound. I really think all our coins will rebound. It's just a matter of on what strength the rebound will be.
Yeah. What is the strength that the rebound will be? Well, personally, I think that we're going to see a pretty hefty rebound. I mean,
So
because
do
these are
I.
some
I
pretty
think it's
hefty
going to be
drops right
pretty
now.
violent.
I mean, dude, okay, let's like think about it this way, folks. On the 7-day, Sushi Swap has dropped 26%. Whoops. Hold on a second. So on the 7-day, Sushi Swap has dropped 27% or 20 okay. 22 nope.
No, do the 7 day. You click 24.
Did I have the 7-day? Okay, yep.
There you go.
Well, okay, yeah. So say for example, 26% on the 7-day for Sushi Swap. However, it's been 20% in the past 24 hours.
Right.
So what is that telling you? That's telling you that
The
we are
market's crashed in the
oversold.
last 24
This
hours.
this is a massive bear move. Whale bear. It's a whale bear, Brian. Have you ever seen a whale bear before?
A
It's a
whale bear.
it's a bale.
It's a bale.
It's a bale. The bales are
It's a
coming
whale
out.
bear.
They're coming to get us, Brian. Woo! Hang
Have
on
some more of
tight,
that
buddy.
double aged, whatever, that
Everybody,
Redford
I
Reserves. What are you drinking there?
double oaked Woodford Reserve where the bales are coming,
There you
and I'm
go.
dodging them like a mofo. Yeah, no, seriously though. 20
Yeah.
like you look at these 7-day like percentage downs and the vast majority of the percentage drops have actually happened over the past 24 hours. Now, granted, we've been kind of in a downturn, But you got to take that into consideration that,
Hey,
there's going to
this
be a
is
hefty
put up a
rebound on this
different
crap.
portfolio.
Yeah.
I
Hmm?
think this is a different one. This isn't Bitcoin top. I think you have the wrong portfolio selected, Cody.
Well, that's fine. But the point, yeah, this is another one that I have.
Yeah.
The point is I hold other ones and other things too. But all right, let's take a look at, hold on. Let's see. These all these. All right. So, yeah, again, you look at the 7 day and it's really not that far. It's not that much of a difference. You know,
No.
what the 7 day is showing from the 24 hours. So it's just like I do think we're going to see a pretty hefty rebound this week because this is, or we're going to continue to go down to 75,000 like I've been guessing for the past. I don't want it to go down to 75,000, but that's just been my gut feeling for months
I
that we're
think
going
you
to see a
do.
Bitcoin testing of 75,000. I'm no chart analysis guy. I'm not this big financial advisor, but I'm telling you,
My gut tells me.
I've seen it before, is what I'm saying. I see through
Right?
it with the Woodford.
It's happened before.
Yeah,
Yep.
it has happened before, and it will happen again. And I also think that we're ahead of schedule from the typical drops. You know, like usually we have a drop in I think May.
Hmm.
We're ahead of schedule, which means that we're probably not going to see the top of the bull market in autumn.
I don't know. I don't know.
It probably is going to be in summer.
Yeah. Hmm. Wonder why.
Hey, we should take a look at. Can we look at CLV?
Yeah,
Can you pull that up? And while you're
I
pulling that
can.
up, I'm going to check out some news because there is like nothing news wise. I just think it's the Bears. What are you saying? What are you saying there,
I
Donnie?
don't know. I'm having issues
Donnie's
here.
saying XRP is cooked. It's cooked, Brian.
It's cooked.
It is well done. Not medium rare. It is well
All right.
done.
You seeing my screen?
Yeah, but I think it's going to rebound though. No,
That's WCFG.
I
That
don't
could be
see your
cooked
screen.
too.
You have to here, let me stop sharing mine. Donnie might be right. You might be right, Donnie.
About CLV.
No, XRP.
Oh, XRP is cooked?
Hmm.
No.
I think she's coming back from the dead, but I also think that she didn't stop for a long time.
CLV. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a battling. Yeah, I'm hoping that it's making like a short-term double bottom over here. One bottom here, and here's the second bottom with CLV. Hopefully this where it's at right now, down to like maybe 4.5 cents holds as resistant. I mean, as support, excuse me, and then we can bounce back up. But
CLV has practically been a stable coin for me,
right.
you know? Kind of reminds me of
So
how Tron was for a while.
I know. So it's everything's just kind of converging here right now. Um, I mean, with everything else, I think we're going to see a really nice bounce when the market turns around for CLV as well. But just got to keep an eye on it right now. Um, Anything
Yeah,
below 5 cents, I think, is a good price buying in on CLV.
let me check this out for a second. Hold
Yeah.
on.
You got
Hey,
some
Chat
news?
GPT, what is happening with the crypto market right now? Do you have any
Yeah.
insight for
What is
me? Like, what's
GTP?
happening?
Why is it crashing?
The crypto market is currently experiencing a decline. Bitcoin is trading at around 96,485, down 4.7%. Ethereum is at 2,825.57, down 10.3%. BNB is at $604.79, down 8.4%. XRP is at $2.39, down 18.4%. Cardano is
Yeah,
at 0.
okay, we get it. We understand. We can see. I want to know,
Why is
what
everything
is
going
your
down?
thoughts? Why is it going down? Do you have any idea why?
It seems like the market might be reacting to broader economic factors or specific news impacting confidence in crypto. This could involve regulatory concerns, changes in investor sentiment, or large sales by major holders. The crypto market can be quite volatile, so these fluctuations are not uncommon. If you're looking for more detailed insights, we can keep an eye on updates.
Yeah, let's do
So
that.
they're not that
All right, but
uncommon.
you know what? And he's right. You know why? Or it or her, whatever. I'll tell you why. Check this out. I mean, this is not a guaranteed reason why, but I think it plays a large reason why. So Bitcoin falls below 100,000 following Donald Trump's imposing important or import tariffs. And dude, I'm telling you, I think that this has a lot to do with it. I really do.
Yeah, they said that would. That
Yes,
could.
it could, it would, it should, and it has. And it's when you put 25% tariffs on microchips, not that I'm saying I'm assuming that's what he did, is something along those lines. From China, putting in these massive, or if it's 10% for China. Well, hold on, let's read this. It has dropped below 100,000 for the first time 6 days following President Donald Trump signing an executive order to impose import tariffs on goods from China, Canada, and Mexico. Yes. So right here it says, according on February 1st statement from the White House, Trump is implementing a 25%, here it is, additional tariff on top of what's already existing. Okay, imports from Canada, Mexico, and 10% additional tariff imports from China. Energy resources from China will have a lower 10% tariff. Dude, here's the tweet right here. Today I have imported a 25% tariff on importing from Mexico and Canada. 10% on Canada energy. And 10% additional tariff on China. This will I can't even, dude. I can't even.
You were doing so good.
This has
Oh,
been brought to you
all
by
right.
Double Oak Woodford Reserve. But
Yeah.
anyways,
So anyway,
but yeah, it makes sense. I mean, you put tariffs like that on
the three
goods.
countries were quick to retaliate. Shortly after Trump's announcement, Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced in a press conference that he will be imposing a 25% tariff on 106.5 billion worth of U.S. goods.
Yeah,
Okay. And
exactly.
then Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum said in a lengthy
Claudia
expose that she
Sheinbaum.
has instructed the Secretary of Economy to implement Plan B, which includes tariff and non-tariff measures in the defense of Mexico's interests. And then following the retaliations, Bitcoin slipped below the psychological 100,000 price
Oh,
level for the first time since January 27th.
do you know what Plan B means?
No
It means
idea.
that Plan A didn't work. That's what it means.
So we're going to call this week Plan B.
Plan B.
And if
This
that
week,
doesn't work out this week, next week is Plan C.
and then Plan D, E, and then soon you get to F, which means you're done.
And
F.
then you,
It's just, dude, I actually love what Donald Trump is doing. I have to say that, in spite of the how it's affecting the market, I think it's actually good for us to have regulatory things. And here's the thing. This is the way that I like to see it. All right, because I've run construction companies, you know, like field ops for construction companies and things like that. The real estate world I've been in, and I've had teams. Okay. And in these teams I've had bad policies that were in place or no policies in place, for example. Therefore, having not the best performance that needs to happen for that company. So what do? We set new policies in place. What does that do? It causes disruption and frustration within the work environment because it's not normal. It's new and people hate it. It's regulatory stuff and people hate it. But guess what it does? It makes everything stronger. It makes good rapport. It makes everyone much more excited and
more
happy
proficient.
and efficient. It's just it in the end is the best way to go. And so that's what's happening. We're seeing the repercussions of, I think, regulatory things, you know, specifically
Regulatory
tariffs,
growth.
which, by the way, tariffs, dude, not to get overly political here, but holy crap, what Donald Trump has done in the past 15 days or however long it's been, 10, 12, 15 days,
What's
is
this little?
unfreaking believable. Like it's
Don't move your screen. I just saw XRP to $4 next. SBF's parents seek Trump pardon and more.
There it is. There it
There it
is.
is.
So, I've, in spite of the market, we've been through this many times. You and I've experienced this multiple times. We know what it's like.
Yes, it's
And it's
still it
just,
still sucks every time we go through it though.
yeah, it does.
It's still an
But
emotional beating.
yeah, it does. But at the same time, it's like we're
It's
still
coming
up.
back.
You said it the other day, we're still up.
Yeah,
And dude, we've been doing this for like 7 or 8 years now.
couple
And
years. Yeah.
a couple years. It's been a hot minute for sure.
Oh yeah, definitely.
All right, so guys, I want to encourage you all to check out Brian's video that was just recently uploaded today about HBAR if you want to have more in depth.
Yeah, and HBAR's crashed. They all have crashed.
Yeah, they're all crashing.
It's all coming back though.
But you even said in the video, you were like, not a good time to buy. And you were right.
Well,
Definitely right.
I mean, in the red is when you want to buy. So technically, it's kind of good dip to buy the dip, but like, you could
Right. You
stagger
dollar
your
cost your
entry
average way
points
in.
in.
Yeah,
You know,
exactly.
stagger them down. Um, like, HBAR is down to like 23 cents. I think it was like if it gets down below 20, I might be taking a look at picking up a little more.
Yeah. I'm planning on it myself.
So
I really
anyway,
do. So the Fed just confirmed a huge crypto game changer as Trump sparks Bitcoin price crash fear. So Bitcoin and crypto prices have sailed across from soaring to heights of following Donald Trump's U.S. presidency victory, with a fear suddenly emerging to a 4 trillion crypto bubble could be about to pop. Did we actually hit a $4 trillion crypto
yeah, I think
market?
we got pretty close.
That's pretty amazing. Unlock over three. Oh yeah, whatever. That's not. The Bitcoin price has surged to almost 110,000 per Bitcoin, helped by Elon Musk's sleek plans for crypto and the White House. Interesting. Now, um, now as one legendary Bitcoin trader warns of a looming financial crisis, Federal Reserve Chair uh, Jerome Powell has uh, helped me out here, man.
Lying the door open for Wall Street
Yeah.
to further adopt Bitcoin and crypto. So
Mm,
what does that mean?
that's what
He
it means.
doesn't look.
That's
Oh,
what it means right
oh
there.
my God, this isn't looking good.
Yeah, that's what it means.
The banks are perfectly able. What's? Oh yeah, perfectly able to serve
Crypto customers, as
as
long as
long as
they
they
are
can understand the
understanding and
service and
servicing
risk.
risk.
Powell said at the press conference this week after the Fed paused its interest rate cutting cycle. Wall Street banks have to be pretty sure their Bitcoin and crypto activities are safe and sound, Powell added.
Hmm.
Wall Street giants, yeah, led by the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, have leaned into Bitcoin and crypto over the last year with a fleet of spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, helping to normalize Bitcoin and crypto among the financial establishment. Powell's comments mark a major shift in sentiment under Trump from the previous Biden administration that was hostile towards crypto. Under Biden, Bitcoin and crypto companies complained of an unofficial policy to debank them, cutting off basic financial services and making it impossible to operate, which became known as Operation Choke Point 2.0, a reference to the previous U.S. government policy to cut off industries believed to be at high risk of fraud and money laundering.
Yeah. So there you go.
Yeah,
So that's that. Yeah,
yeah, that's settled.
it is settled. You bought the rumor, we sold the news. That's what's happened here. And we're right on schedule.
Yes, right on schedule for whatever the market's putting out.
Yeah. So, dude, I want to take a look at XRP because I'm actually curious about that too. Um, I feel like the XRP coin has some serious growth to do, but I feel like I don't know. I think is it still number 3?
Probably.
Nope.
Here's
It
XRP.
dropped immediately traded places with Tether. Not surprising.
So yeah, it got up and then it fell off the cliff.
Dude, it fell off the cliff hard.
Wow.
Like hard. If there was a time to buy XRP, dude,
Um,
I'm feeling like $2 is a good time.
yeah, I think a good price would be like, I mean, it seems like a decent price right now, but yeah, around $2, $2.10, could even go as low as like $1.90, could work down there. And if that doesn't hold, then it's going to the, $1.60, the 200-day moving average. But yeah, it's again, you could stagger your orders, maybe, right now it's at 234, maybe put a, buy at 215, one at 2, one at 190, maybe stagger your orders and build a position that way.
Yeah. I actually might I might seriously buy into XRP. I'm actually feeling pretty good about that. Tyler Spickerman is asking, what is AVAX doing right now? Well, we'll take a look at that one for you, Tyler.
AVAX,
Did I say your name
AVAX,
right, Mr. Spickerman? Yeah, I believe so.
AVAX.
Yes.
Okay.
AVAX, AVAX,
Well,
AVAX.
yeah.
Not
All
to be
right.
mistaken for ADAX, the scam.
Just like all the others, down, down, down we go.
That is below the 200-day moving average. But it's really, yeah.
Yeah, it's I think if $25 holds, it's 25, $26 holds, just like everything else, that'd be a good platform to bounce off of. There's a lot of support here at this level. So, if that holds and then turns around, then it's just going to work its way back up, probably go back up to 35, and then just step its way back up to 40, 45. Um, what's the
I'm looking at it right now.
long term? Here's the weekly chart. Yeah, so we'll have to get back above, really, once it gets back above $50, it's going to probably go up to 100.
I mean, honestly, dude, this actually might be a good buy. We should really look into this one.
AVAX?
Yeah, have you?
Yeah, I have before.
It's number 13 right now.
Yeah, I really think it's definitely at a good price.
It seems to be. Its all-time high. Take a guess what it's. Okay, so it's at 26.44 right now. Guess what its all-time high is?
Uh 224.
Yeah, no, no, no. 146.22.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But I mean, I kind of like it. You're very welcome.
Yeah,
You're
it's
very welcome, Tyler. Yeah, guys, if you want us to look something up for you, throw it out there in the comment section. We'd love to look it up for you guys.
yeah, I mean, this is a good price. I mean, $26 where it's at, it's a good price to get in with it, definitely. It's touched that volume point of control on that like $26 price roughly a couple times. Um, yeah, I think that's a good buy right now on AVAX. Build a position, even if you didn't build a position and just wanted to trade it. I think if you get in anywhere below $26, um, you'll definitely get a double out of it. I think it'll definitely be back up in this level.
Well, and that's the question is like dude, I get pumped about all this bear
So this
crap.
is where,
I really
I think
do.
I'm going to start looking at doing some more swing trading and just trying to time some of these big rebounds,
Yeah.
and get a quick double here and there.
Yeah, but you know what? I seriously think that these kinds of drops are the drops that bring in new money. It's
Yes.
people been playing with old money for the past month now, but like swapping and switching all their cryptos, you know?
Yep.
Oh man, it's time to take my Bitcoin and buy some altcoin. Oh man, it's time for me to take some of my altcoin and buy back the Bitcoin. But like,
You're right.
yeah, that's what happens. And but
Yeah.
when you have then finally the whales are like, F you, and then they just like tank the market so that new money comes in because people get inspired when they see a 20% drop. They're like, you know what? I think I can pull a little bit from my savings, you know?
Yeah.
I'm willing to lose a little bit for my savings. You know, like that's what's happening. Or that's what I believe is going to happen. And
Yeah. I
honestly,
mean, we're definitely in a good buying opportunity now for a lot of different coins. And I like AVAX, how it's just sitting this level right now is holding as support, and I think it will. It's pretty strong support. I think that's going to be a quick double
yeah.
once it rebounds. But again, things can, that's what I'm just guessing by the chart formations, but the market's going to do what it's going to do anyway.
You know how we can get, like at least $7 billion into the market?
How?
We just have 7 billion people put $1 in the market.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Oh, dude, wow.
Or
Can you
three and a
imagine?
half billion put
And then
two,
you know what? If all 7 billion can't do it, we'll just double our dollars to $2 and just do half of that.
three and
Three
a
point
half
three
billion.
point five billion people put $2 in, we get
Right.
a $7 billion pump.
Or you could get, 100, what is, I don't know. Never mind. All right. I'm gonna have to get going here. I'm gonna have to cut this one a little short this evening.
It's past
But
Brian's
is
bedtime
there
tonight.
anything else that someone would like us to look at before we get going? I really believe just hold
Th-
on, don't sell anything, folks. Uh, there are definitely some good buys out there. So
So
just make
Tyler was
sure you do
asking,
your own research.
do we
What was
think that
that?
AV Tyler was asking if do we think that AVAX is actually going to reach its all-time high? And honestly, I don't I need to learn a little bit more about the project for me to answer that question, to be honest. Because I don't really know much about it, do you,
It's
Brian?
I can't think of it right now. It's
I
like
mean,
a
we'll put it
layer.
this way, just to look at it from a numbers analysis, like it's number 13 on the total market cap. So
And what's
yes,
it
I
market
think
cap right now?
and its market cap right now is $18.7 billion. So,
So it'd be a $100 billion market.
right. So the question is can it be $100 billion coin, $100 billion total market cap coin at a number 13 if it keeps going up and Bitcoin gets to 200,000? I think it's highly possible
I
to see
think
it,
so as well.
you know?
But even if
Levi,
it doesn't get to its all-time high this cycle, I still definitely see this coin getting up to around $100 anyway.
yeah. Yeah.
So which is just call it a 4x from where it's at right now.
Well, that's right. Dude, the party's just
So
getting started. People are joining and talking now.
really,
Yeah, Levi just joined. He said, "What up, G? What token is that?" I don't know. What
this is
token are we talking about?
AVAX.
Oh, are
We
we
were talking
actually
about
we
AVAX.
were talking about AVAX because Tyler brought it to our attention, wants to know if it's going to hit its all-time high. And you know what? This is what I'm going to show you right now, actually.
Here's AVAX. All right, you showing them something?
Oh, yeah, wait, hold on. Hold on. Just take a look at this real quick.
All right.
All right, so you got number 13, currently $26. It's got a $10.79 billion market cap. Its all-time high, 146 bucks. Tyler wants to know if it can get back to its all-time high. We think if Bitcoin's
I think it can.
200,000,
Oh, it'll
it's
be a
probably going to happen.
$60 billion coin. Yeah, I definitely think this has that potential.
Yeah, and probably even before Bitcoin hits that, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, I think anything in the top
Click on its
50 is,
website real quick.
yeah. I think anything in the top 50, top 20, whatever, has a
It's up.
serious potential of actually hitting its all-time high. But there's a lot of swapping going on, you know? Create without limits, accept all
So
the
it's like
cookies.
a competitor of like Ethereum. It's like kind of like a layer. Was that layer one?
Uh, build anything you want in any way you want on the lightning fast, scalable blockchain that won't let you down. Choosing the wrong blockchain can kill your dApps before it even has a chance to succeed. But it doesn't have to be this way. Launch with confidence. ABAX. Yeah. I think that it has serious
Yeah,
potential. I
so
mean, it's a layer one, like it is a layer one.
it is layer one.
New to Web3, explore, build it your way. And there they are, the creators. Yep.
Well,
It's actually a very nice website.
it is.
Not that websites are the reasoning, but yeah, I think layer one, any crypto that has a company backing it that's like a layer one platform, I think in that those just do so well. Like they really do. Wait
So
till tomorrow. Okay, so Levi's saying wait till tomorrow with SBI and Japan banks running XRPL. XCN has huge news tomorrow. Block V has tons happening this week and a lot of news. Very cool. We'll have to look into that. Keep an eye out for that. Tyler's saying, yep, it's a layer one and Amazon signed on with it and has more gaming projects on it too. Oh, that's awesome. Very cool. That's pretty cool.
it is.
Dude, yeah, I mean, look at the volume on this thing, actually. A lot of volume for dropping. It's like over
Yeah.
200% in volume right now. Wait a minute. Hold on. We just got an update from Donald Trump. He just truthed something. He said, anybody that's anybody that's against tariffs, including the fake news, Wall Street Journal, and hedge funds, is only against them because the people are entitled to the controlling of China and other former I can't keep going with this, dude. I really it's just dude, he is on a tariff rip right now. An absolute like an
Oh my
actual
God.
tariff rip. Dude, he's on a rip right now. Dude, like he's done everything he said he was going to do. And he's continuing to do more what he said he was going to do too.
Yeah.
I think the Dims hate it too. Guys, I love this world of cryptocurrency. It's so
Oh
much
my
fun. It
goodness.
really is. It just keeps our blood moving, you know?
Mhm.
Blood rising, falling. It's exciting. I mean, like, we'll just end with this maybe, I guess. You're looking at look at the grabs here. I mean, as far as the top 100 goes on the 7-day, the best buy is the Pudgy Penguins is the best buy right now. Although that's quite a drop. Dude, Melania. Okay, so this right here, actually, speaking of Trump, I actually would suggest that this is a sweet buy right now.
At $1.52. You
Dollar
know, it's a
52.
super buy right now too, right below it. Fat artificial super intelligence.
Oh yeah,
That's at
dude.
a
That's a
smoking buy right
really good.
now.
Holy smokes. What is this? Number 50 on the total market cap has 1.8 billion, so it's in the top billions. $3.47 all-time high. I could see it hit that in the future,
Yeah.
especially with what's coming out. Dude,
Yep.
David Sachs, man, like I don't know if you watched the most recent All In podcast that David Sachs was on.
No, I didn't.
Dude, so good. You got to check it out. I mean, what he is doing to help the development of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency is freaking unbelievable. I mean, I honestly, I think that this is just this drop right here is just another awesome grab for a bunch of big whales, is what's happening here. They're trying to scare
Oh,
everybody out.
yeah.
Couldn't say it like enough, honestly. Holy crap, look at the fear and greed index.
Wow. Blood is in the
39,
streets.
baby. That
Buy,
is
baby, buy.
oversold.
That right there. Buy. Buy.
That's
I'm
yeah.
selling the house.
Yeah, no, don't do that. Hey, by the way, once again, folks, we are not financial advisors.
We're
Please do
not.
not like just buy
And don't
stuff.
sell your house.
Yeah, and don't sell your house. Don't pull out home equity lines of credit to buy crypto. Only buy what you're willing to lose.
Yes.
The dominance, 59 for Bitcoin. Dude,
Oh
I
my
like these
good.
numbers. Listen, they're depressing, but I like them. I
Yeah, I
really
do
do.
too.
And then, so the top 24, SPX 6. Do you know what this is? SPX?
No.
Huh. I don't know either.
SPX 6900.
Yeah, I don't know. I
I
mean,
don't know.
honestly, Filecoin. You remember that?
Yep.
Or Gala. Remember that?
Gala.
Injective. Remember that?
Yeah.
TIA.
Yeah.
TIA is actually
Adam.
doing pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like from our initial buy-in.
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
one more thing. Agree to just okay, hold on. Agreed. Just another correction in the world of crypto, Levi says. Meme coin Yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
my
actually,
son's
that's a
getting
really good
into.
point. I don't know if Levi's trying to make a point here about meme coins, but I will say that meme coins typically do take off first, don't they?
Not necessarily, no.
No? Maybe that was just
But
the
meme
last.
coins is a whole nother creature, I think, now and beast. My son's getting into it quite a bit. I'm not really
Is he?
paying attention to what he's doing.
What is he
He's
doing?
he's just taking some Solana and his Phantom wallet and doing some stuff with the buddy of his, and they're getting in and out of meme coins. It pumps a couple 100%. They're trying to get out. They've been greedy a few times and they lose. I'm
Well,
like,
check out these
guys,
meme coins, dude. I mean, so we got Dogecoin, number 8, 25%. Let's just see the worst of the meme coins right now. So the worst of the meme coins is the MAGA memecoin.com. Pippin.
unicorn fart dust.
Dude, I don't even want to look at these. I don't even want to look at these. I
Go
want
to
to look
the
at
other way. What's
let's look at
the
the best
highest?
ones.
There we go. Alpha
Wow. Alpha is a 300% gain today. That's
on
what?
the 7 day.
Number 416 too. That's
Wow.
interesting. Ain't that interesting?
It is. It is. It is.
Tyler's saying I'm on a bone. Laugh out loud in ETH. Huge. Yeah. Well, what are you saying? Matt, huge Fury native narrative.
Oh, huge
Yeah.
fear narrative.
What you're saying that you like Ethereum? Like you're really enjoying that one? You going for that?
I mean, it's probably at a good buy right now.
Loft? Dude, I don't even know 99% of altcoin or I mean of meme coins. Do you?
No.
I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. I see Floki floating around all the time.
Floki floating around.
Yeah, I do. I really do. Yeah. I don't know. What do you guys think of meme coins anyways? The only one that I've ever bought, to be completely honest, is Trump. Official Trump. And Melania. I bought that afterward. Trump and
But
Melania, as you can see, I've followed them for years. I actually was following them before they were following politics.
there you go.
Wait, what did he say? Trying to get a retail to sell also trigger stop losses. Yeah, yeah. I know. Have you set any stop losses at all, Brian? Or have they all like poked their way through?
I have before. I think Coinbase one you can do it. I think Kraken Pro you can set stop losses now. A lot of the central exchanges allow you to.
They do?
I think so. Yeah.
Huh, okay. Levi says he hates meme coins. I feel you, man. I mean, I don't hate them, but the only ones I own is the Trump ones just because I'm kind of a diehard Trump person anyways. I'm kind of MAGA, you
Yeah.
know.
All right. I have to cut out.
He's got to cut out, folks. All right, with that being said, guys, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification. Brian's putting out a video tomorrow, yes?
Yes.
What's it going to be?
I was going to put out just a price update and whatnot on CLV.
Nice. I'm going to put a price update on CLV. If you
Yeah.
guys want to put out something that you want us to put out, then you got to put out.
So put out.
That's what you got to do. You got to
That's all there
comment.
is
You got to
to
let
it.
us know what it is you want
You
us to
want
look
something
at.
from me, you got to put out.
Yeah, you got to put out. It's going to be like my new rap song. Hold on. We got one more. No use case. I'm more into the tech. Yeah, no, dude, we're with you, man. Levi's into the tech.
Yeah,
So
but the use case now is the community. That's
yeah,
that's how a lot of people are judging the meme coins now. How
yeah. No,
large the community is
well,
that's
yeah,
backing it.
that's what it is, you know?
But yeah, but anyway,
Pick
thank
your
you
flavor.
everybody for joining us.
Yep.
Sorry I have to cut it short this evening.
No, it's all good. I'm gonna go chill with my wife, watch a movie or something.
There you go.
So, all
All
right,
right,
love you
man.
guys. Peace.